Heavy downpour in the past few days has increased water level at major rivers and has caused landslides in the hills while also flooding few vulnerable areas in the valley. Waterlogging and flash floods have been reported in Thoubal district today. Wangjing river banks have been bridged at 3 locations, resulting in inundation of various houses, farms and paddy fields at Lamding, Sangayumpam and Tintha. Residents of the area put their possible efforts using excavator and vehicles from further destruction. Meanwhile, Kairembikok Mamanglaykai and Awanglaykai Road has been flooded with overflowing water of Nongdambi River, causing significant disruption. The passage of water between Lausipad and Karungpad has also been inundated by the debris due to the landslide occurred at Tekcham, Maningching. Residents of the area initiated possible efforts to clear the debris using excavator. However, as the water level has been rising, many paddy fields and farms were inundated.